Hello dear students of class 2 and welcome to yet another online class of general knowledge. Dear students, in the previous chapter we covered chapter 15. Now in your GK book you have chapter 16, which is simply cutting down the given parts of an elephant on paper and sticking it. It's too damn easy, we'll not be doing that. We'll be moving straight on to chapter 17, largest in India. Now dear children, in between chapter 16 and chapter 17 there is the test paper 1. Okay, test paper 1 we will be discussing later on. For now we will be doing chapter 17, largest in India. Alright, so let's begin. Now largest in India meaning these all things, whether it's a place or a monument or a building, right, they are the biggest in size when it comes to Indian subcontinent. Okay, as per and in regard to Indian subcontinent, they are the largest. You won't find any other structure which is bigger in comparison to these. Okay, so we'll do it in the style of tick the correct options. Okay, tick the correct options. Now let's begin. Number 1, it is the largest museum in India. Okay, it, is, the, largest, museum, India. It is the largest museum in India. Now dear children, museum is a place where great things of past, of historical value, okay, related to our great culture and history are preserved and kept. Now in that regard, this particular museum is the largest museum in our country, in India. So let's see what are our options. Number A, National Museum, Delhi. Number B, Nehru Museum, Delhi. And number C, Indian Museum, Kolkata. So let's look at our options once again. You have number A, National Museum, Delhi. NATIONAL, National. MUSEUM, Museum in DELHI, Delhi. Number B, NEHRU, Nehru. MUSEUM, Museum, DELHI, Delhi. Nehru Museum in Delhi. And number C, INDIAN, Indian. MUSEUM, Museum, KOLKATA, Kolkata. So these are your three options: National Museum, Nehru Museum, and National Museum, Nehru Museum, and Indian Museum. And in regard to that, your correct answer is Indian Museum, Kolkata. Option number C, Indian Museum, INDIAN, Indian. MUSEUM, Museum in KOLKATA, Kolkata. Indian Museum in Kolkata is the largest museum in India. Okay, now this was your question number 1. Let's move on to question 2. it, is, the, largest, DESERT, desert, India. Yeah. It is the largest desert in India. Now, dear children, deserts are places where the soil is sandy, there is very little to no rainfall, only cactuses grow here and there, and only convenient way to cross a desert is on a camel. All right. So, it is the largest desert in India. Let's see what are our options here. Number A, Sahara, Sahara. Number B, Thar, Thar. Number C, the Gobi. So you have option number A, Sahara, Sahara Desert. Number B, Thar Desert. And number C, the Gobi, the Gobi Desert. Okay, so the largest desert in India is, your correct answer is option B, Thar Desert. Option B, Thar Desert, Thar. Okay, you have Sahara Desert, you have Thar Desert, and you have Gobi Desert, and your correct answer is Thar Desert. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. Rest two of the deserts are not even in India. Rest two of the options are not even in India. We have one great desert, and that is the Thar Desert. Alright, dear children. Now, having said this, let's move on to question number 3. It is the largest freshwater lake in India. Okay, IT eat, IS is, THE the, LARGEST largest, FRESH fresh, WATER fresh water, LAKE lake, INDIA India. It is the largest freshwater lake in India. Now, when it comes to smaller water bodies, okay, there is a difference, dear children, between lake and pond. Most people think lake and pond are the same. See, there is a, first of all, there is a difference of size. Ponds are smaller, lakes are larger. Ponds are mostly constructed artificially, but lakes are mostly naturally constructed. Okay, there are few artificial lakes also, but mostly lakes are naturally constructed. Now, having said that, this particular lake that we are going to talk about is the largest freshwater lake in India. The water that you find in this lake is not a sea water but a fresh water. Okay, it means it is potable, it is drinkable, it can be used for drinking and other domestic purposes. So it is the largest freshwater lake in India. Let's see what are our options. Number A, Lake Wular. Number B, Lake Dal. And number C, Lake Chilika. Okay, so our three options are number A, LAK lake, WULAR Wular. Number B, LAK lake, DAL Dal. And number C, LAK lake, CHILIKA Chilika. So what are our three options? Lake Wular, Lake Dal, and Lake Chilika. And our correct answer is option number A, Lake Wular. Okay, Lake Wular is the largest freshwater lake in India. Okay, once again I'll tell you the spelling. LAK lake, WULAR Wular. Once again, Lake Wular is the largest freshwater lake in India. Having said that, let's move on to question number 4. It is the largest mosque in India. Okay, so what is our question here? Question number 4 says IT eat, IS is, THE the, LARGEST largest, MOSQUE. Now most people spell it mosque. It is not mosque, it is mosque. Okay, it is mosque. Remember? Okay, MOSQUE, mosque in India. Now, dear children, mosque is the holy place of worship for Muslims. Muslims go and pray in the mosque. Okay, Muslims go and pray in the mosque. So this particular mosque in our country is the largest mosque when it comes to size. Okay, we have, see, this is the beauty of our country. We have many beautiful temples, we have many beautiful mosques, we have many beautiful churches, which all give one and the same lesson, and that is all of us must stay united, must stay like brothers, and must stay in peace. Now, in regard to that, this mosque is the largest mosque in India. Now, let's see what are our options here. Number A, Jama Masjid, Delhi. Number B, Fatehpur Masjid, Fatehpur Masjid, there again Delhi. And last one, again Jama Masjid, in Lucknow. Okay, so let's look at our 3 options. Option number A, Jama Masjid, Masjid in Delhi. Now, masjid is the Hindi or Urdu pronunciation for mosque. Mosque is what we call it in English. Masjid is what we call it in Hindi and Urdu. Okay, so first option is Jama Masjid in Delhi. Option number B, Fatehpur, Fatehpur, Masjid, Masjid, again in Delhi, Delhi, Delhi. Your option number 3 is again Jama Masjid, Jama Masjid, Masjid, but this particular Jama Masjid is not located in Delhi, it is located in Lucknow, Lucknow, Lucknow. So let's look at our options once again. Option number A, Jama Masjid in Delhi. Number B, Fatehpur Masjid, again in Delhi. And option C, Jama Masjid in Lucknow. So our correct answer is the Jama Masjid in Delhi. Option number A, Jama Masjid in Delhi. So we can understand that Jama Masjid in Delhi is the largest mosque in India. Okay, Jama Masjid in Delhi is the largest mosque in India. So these were our 4 largest. Okay, so the largest museum in India is Indian Museum in Kolkata. The largest desert in India is the Thar Desert. The largest freshwater lake in India is Lake Wular, and the largest mosque in India, Jama Masjid in Delhi. Now, dear children, I'll provide you the clip of the page, you'll refer to the video and you'll solve this exercise in your GK notebook. Alright, thank you very much. Stay safe.